we have already seen this thing in the last class, correct? Now, coming to data related job, we have already seen that three different kind of jobs. Not only three, I just have club into three different job role. But in addition to that, we have something called machine learning operation as well. We have something called MLE, machine learning engineer as well. Okay. In addition to the data engineering, data analyst, and data scientist job. Fine. Then we have seen what are the tools and technology that is required to become a data analyst or data engineer or data scientist. We have seen. So there are different programming language in addition to SQL, then Excel, then different database knowledge is required. Now, one common factor we have seen, coming to the visualization purpose, we are seeing Excel is common across all different profile. It may be data analyst or data scientist. Anyhow, it's not required, not that much required in the data engineering role. But again, I'm seeing it's just intersection point between the data analyst and data scientist. Okay, that's the reason why we are here in the class to learn one of the powerful visualization tool, that is Excel. Anyhow, in addition to Excel, we are using different types of other tools, that is either Tableau or Power BI, to represent the data in the visualization format. But if not directly, then in the Excel also we can do, by using some advanced Excel, we can also represent the pie chart, histogram, and all that we'll see going forward in our class. But starting onwards, we'll see all the primary things, not in the advanced. We'll not jump directly into the advanced part. We'll see the basic thing, how by using Excel we can pivot a table, we can do column level mapping, then we'll increase and we'll do all kind of mathematical operation like addition, multiplication, everything will summation, everything will do in the Excel and C. Fine. And yeah, these are the things we have already covered in the last class. Even roles of a data engineer, data analyst, data scientist, that also we have covered in depth in the last class, before to the last class. All set, all good. Okay, now come to the today's agenda. Today we are going to see the first class, the exact technical point of view, the first class, that is data analysis in Excel 1. Okay, so let me write down the agenda. Let me set the agenda. What are the things we are going to discuss today? Then obviously I can say we'll go one by one. Fine. Make sense, guys? Okay, fine. So let me just write down today's agenda. First, we'll talk about the overview of Excel interface. Let me write down all the things. Then we'll discuss about the call referencing and table referencing in formulas. Sorry, it is cell referencing, not call referencing. Cell and table referencing. Then we'll talk about the functions and formulas in Excel. Then we'll see what are the different functions or formulas are there. So I can see first one is, let's say, sum. Then we'll talk about sum if, count if. Yeah, sum if, count if, max, then if. Let me scroll up. Then we'll discuss about the concurred. Then we'll talk about the date function. Then we'll talk about the text function. Again, it is subdivided into, we'll see in depth everything. Text, a function that is left. Right. Then we have something called, handling error using the if error function. Okay. So good, guys. So these are the agenda that I have set for today's class. We'll see one by one up to what extent we are going. If possible, you can complete all. Or if anything left, that will complete in the next class. Shall we proceed, guys? Fine. Okay. Fine. So first one is the overview of Excel interface. Okay. So I'll just open the Excel sheet. I'll show you. I mean, if you want simultaneously, you can open the Excel sheet in a computer or laptop, whatever you are using right now. You can compare, you can see it, whatever I'm explaining. Okay. Fine.